Here at Frisbee Filter, we have attempted to make a video to show you how filter bags are cleaned and how they're also tested. The testing part is very important. That way you can ensure when you get the filter bags back, they will perform just like a brand new one. The first test, pre-test that we do on the filter bag is we do what we call a weight test. And then we go to the measuring of the bag. We measure all of our bags to ensure that after they're processed that they are the same dimensions as when you sent the bags in. Then we go to what we call pre-test. This is an airflow test. We test the filter bag before it has been cleaned. Then we go to the actual washing process. This is some bags, filter bags are soaked and they're prepared to go into a washing machine. This washing machine here is made by Unimac. It's a computerized machine. This way we can control each filter bag on how it is actually cleaned. We can adjust the cycle if needed to. Then we use what we call a soap injector. We feel this is very important with the soap process, so that way you can ensure that the pH is brought back to normal to ensure a long bag life. Then we get the actual washing machines. These washing machines are special from Unimac because they have what they call in-the-door rinse. We feel that they do the best job of actually cleaning the filter out of all the machines that are on the market. Once the filter bags have been washed, then we unload them out of the machine and we actually do some inspecting to make sure the bags have came clean and that there is no spots that come out of them. Then we go to the hanging process. We hang dry the filters in a climate controlled room. This ensures that there is no shrinkage and that there is proper filtration after the bags have all been cleaned. Then we go to the inspecting process and we start doing the post-test on the actual filter bags themselves. There's 10 tests we do in all. We're going to attempt to show you two of the most important tests that we do. One test is called the Molenbeek test. This is where we burst the material on a bag when we're testing it, and this ensures that the strength is still in the bag. Then we go to what we call an airflow test. The airflow test is performed after the bag has been cleaned to make sure that it has the same amount of airflow when it was new. What we are showing you here is our technical data report, we refer to as a TDR report. This report is what you get back after we clean the bags. This report ensures the bags are going to perform just like new. There's 10 tests in all that we perform, and each test tells you what it was before and what it was after, and it's detailed. It tells you about why we perform each test on the filter bag. Then we go to the actual patching process, repairing process. This here is a repairing process that we use where we're actually putting on the patch. Then we go to the sewing. Some bags, if the seams are ripped or the threads are coming undone, we resew them, or we can also resew a patch on. This is shot before and after of the bags that we just showed you that we were cleaning. Then we go to the boxing up. We do all of our boxing up and we put your part number or your description on the actual box. We palletize them back up and we send them back to you, usually by truck. A lot of people address the cost of freight. The cost of freight is really pretty significant. It runs about 25 cents per bag. Remember, recycling and reusing your filter bags are not only good for the environment, but it saves your company money.